back on the Simpsons power supply. So I got the new parts in and changed out. It's a little messy up here. It was TR3. I was calling them TR1 and TR2 in the last video. So change out TR3. This is in that high voltage circuit, and we had too much power going through F3 into the displays, and that's the plus 100 volts. So I pulled this out. I checked some other things in this 5-volt circuit, and I don't see anything that's the problem other than this little chip right here. So if we don't have 5 volts still, it's either this little capacitor or that little chip right there. Let's throw it in a game and we'll do some testing.
I'm Walter Day, the father of esports, and you're watching Matty Mo's Arcade.
And you know how long it's been since I played Whac-A-Mole?
I'm getting ready to attack, fanny pack attached. Tokens are all stacked, got the mallet in my grasp. Waiting for the moles, hiding in their holes. Score, we're keeping tally, I'll be playing till they close now. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. I'm a mallet master, a single-fisted blaster. You can ask my baby, it starts slow then gets faster. I'm a record setter.
Got the board installed up here, and all I have hooked in is just power to the power supply. And then I have test points up here, the black and red leads that are coming down to my meter. And hopefully when I turn this on, we will see 5 volts. Otherwise, I don't know what's wrong with this thing, or it's that chip, I mean, actually. Okay. We have 5 volts finally. Alright, and next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test the high voltage coming over here to the displays, and then I'm going to make sure the proper fuses are in this, and then I think I'm just going to hook up, so I have 5 volts and 12 volts up here, so I'm just going to hook up the CPU next and see what kind of boot lights I get to come on. Maybe we can get this thing to fire up today. Stick around. Alright, let's see what we get. Display. The customer said that it started smoking and it probably got fried. Alright, so it works a little. Alright, so what I'm going to do is pull this display board off and see if there's anything I can do to it. With parts I have on hand, I don't know that there is. But I'll take a look and see if we can get that going for the customer. But so far, so good. So here is the problem right here. Let's see if I can get you a little better angle on how bad this is. That guy right there blew up and cracked. Where's my flashlight? Does that help any? Yeah, there's a crack going like, let me see here, right through the middle over here on the side, and this whole corner's burnt off and blown up. And these chips aren't made anymore, so we're gonna have to try to find some new old stock or something. I don't know. I've already started looking, but stay tuned and I will update later in the week or next week. I'm not sure what's going on with this. Might have to order one of these. I don't know if there's a replacement. I'm not sure, but that's where we're at on this one, and it ain't over. Stay tuned. So these two right here are going to be ground and 5 volts. So what do we get here? Did I not turn the game on? I didn't turn the game on. I guess that would help. Hang on.
Here it is, a nice little trade. The person I traded got what they wanted, I got what I wanted, and a pretty good deal on it too. Super hang on.
Get what I want.
That comes later.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on fire.
Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching.
When you take care of people, people take care of you in this community.
That's the truth.
So everyone, please remember that. Even if we're competitors, we're not enemies.